So, hi! It's currently Tuesday and I'm just about to go to school. I actually have finished school, but I've got to finish coursework. So, yeah, I went in yesterday and then I'm going in today as well, and maybe tomorrow, maybe next week as well. We'll see. I might just finish it at home. I don't know. I am a massive procrastinator. But I gotta go in like 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna go make my bed. This is how you make a bed professionally. No. I'm gonna do this way because that's the height has got food on. Oops, that's why I shouldn't be allowed to eat food while I'm on bed. You know, because I'm this about. Oh no, go away, go away, go away. That's cute. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, why is it so straight? It'll have to do. I'm gonna use Hoover when I get home. Look how beautiful that is. I can never make it really mine's always creased. Don't know how to not to. Oh, this is a nice angle. I don't know how not to, but life is life. Not just got back, I've been back from school for about an hour now, and I've had a sandwich and I'm watching Hollyoaks and now watching Love Island. I've only watched one episode and it's not normally something I'd watch. I used to love Geordie Shore and then I don't watch it anymore, but I don't know, it's something that I won't actually like, but I'm watching it anyway, you know, see if I do like it. It's my favourite. Well, I've only watched one episode, this is the second one. Guy I think the hottest is Scott. I think Scott's really hot, and I think I can't remember her name. Look, is it Laura? I don't know, maybe not, but I think she's pretty. I like her eyes. I like the girl with the nose ring. She's pretty, she's nice. Yeah, that's basically it. Got my cup of tea as you would have just seen. That is how you make Nah, it's not perfect tea. I'm not good at making tea that much. I prefer other people making them. But I'm going to get a chocolate biscuit to have with it. I've got two, guys. Don't judge. These are so nice. They're like, what they're called? Viscount. And they're like mint chocolate biscuits. Gorgeous. God, that really scared me. So I'm going to have these with my tea. I don't think I've vlogged since I've got changed, but I'm going to be an old granny and play solitaire. But at the moment, they're all, where did the jokers go? No, where are the jokers? Oh, they're still in there. Okay, they're the jokers. So I just need to mix them all, but I am really bad at shuffling, so let's do it a fun way. Woo! Let's try do that shuffly thing. Oh, this is going to go terribly wrong. No. Well, that didn't work, did it? How do you do it? So it's like... Yeah, that just failed. No one try again now. Right, so you split in half. Split. And then what? You just like... Someone needs to teach me how to do this. So, I really don't know. Anyway, let's play. Let's go.
When there's no more light that you can see, I'll take us back to times when lives were similar and times that all seemed easier.
Ooh, using my tripod. I'm back from Central Park now. I've been back for like, I don't know, almost an hour, and I made this drink, which is amazing. I'll link the video to where person. I'll link the video below to where someone makes this. So yeah, but the thing is, I put some raspberries in it. I put like scraped cream on top and some raspberries, and now the raspberries are at the bottom because I didn't eat them all. So now I have to like suck it up. So I thought I'd show you because why not? Okay, that's not raspberry. That's an ice cube. I just had some food. Had potatoes and tomato ketchup, and it was Thursday. Oh, let me show you my photos that I took while I was at thingy. So that's one of them. I'm still like testing it out. Oh, that looks cool. Yeah, that's one of them, and this is the other one. I'm still like testing that out. I'm now going to end the video here because it is 10:10 and I'm gonna go to bed soon. Got to take makeup off. I should really wash my hair, but seriously can't be bothered. I'm going to go back to school tomorrow. This lighting is not flattering at all. Oh my god. Let me find. No, this is just not nice. Okay. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm gonna go to bed soon. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Me and this is Pascal. Pascal? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Goodbye and good night from me and Pascal. And I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I just watched Lucy and it was sick. I would really recommend it. It's like 2 years old or something like that. I think, yeah. But it's so good. So yeah, just go check it out. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you very soon. Goodbye. Wait.